So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on network and internet. And now you're going to be having either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. You want to click on this. And then where it says meter connection, you're going to turn this on. You're going to turn on meter connection. And now for the next step, on the left hand side, you're going to click on Windows Update. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on Advanced Options. Now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down again and then click on Delivery Optimization. It's now going to be saying allow downloads from other PCs. You're going to turn this off. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on Startup Apps. And then once you're on this, you want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. So for example, for me, Microsoft Edge automatically starts up when my computer turns on. And I know it does that because under status, it says enabled. And I want to turn this off now, so I'm going to click on it and then click on disable. And now Microsoft Edge will not start up automatically when my computer turns on. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.